Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore the beauty world one product at a time and uncover what truly works. Today, we're taking a close look at the Pure Minerals Multitasking Essentials Kit, a makeup gift set designed to simplify your routine with a 4-in-1 correcting primer, fully charged mascara, 4-in-1 pressed mineral powder, and a chisel brush. It's marketed as a complete kit for a natural, polished look, and it promises skin-loving ingredients while being vegan, cruelty-free, and free from parabens and gluten. Opening the kit, the first thing I noticed is the thoughtful curation. The primer is designed to correct tone and texture, the pressed mineral powder aims to provide coverage while keeping a natural finish, and the mascara is meant to lift, lengthen, and volumize lashes. The chisel brush rounds out the set, supposedly allowing precise application of the powder. In terms of application, I found the primer blends smoothly, giving the skin a subtle radiance without feeling heavy or greasy. The pressed powder layers nicely on top, providing buildable coverage that didn't cake or settle into fine lines. The mascara is a standout. It separates and defines lashes beautifully, with noticeable volume and length that lasts throughout the day without flaking. Using the chisel brush, I found it comfortable for powder application, though precision in the corners of the face required a lighter hand. Overall, the kit integrates well into a morning routine, and I appreciated how each piece complements the others. On the pro side, the formulation is thoughtful and skin-conscious, especially for those avoiding parabens or gluten. The mascara delivers impressive results, and the primer and powder together create a smooth, even complexion. Packaging is sleek and gift-ready, making it perfect for gifting. On the flip side, the chisel brush might not replace more specialized brushes for detailed contouring, and those with very oily skin might need a setting spray to keep the powder in place longer. When it comes to value for money, this kit sits in the mid-range price bracket. Considering the versatility of 4 products designed to work together, the clean ingredients, and the performance, it does offer solid value, especially for someone looking to simplify their routine or for a thoughtful gift. Compared to other multitasking kits on the market, Pure's focus on skin-friendly, cruelty-free ingredients and buildable coverage sets it apart, even if the price is slightly higher than drugstore alternatives. The build quality of the packaging is solid, with each product feeling substantial and durable. The powder and mascara both maintain their integrity over repeated uses, and the primer pump dispenses consistently without waste. Pure has a reputation for responsive customer service, which is reassuring if any issues arise. If you're considering alternatives, drugstore mineral kits may offer similar convenience, but often lack the high-quality, vegan formulations that Pure provides. For someone prioritizing clean beauty, this kit is a strong contender, even if it costs a bit more than standard sets. Overall, the Pure Minerals Multitasking Essentials Kit delivers on its promise of a cohesive, skin-conscious makeup routine. It's ideal for those seeking buildable coverage, natural-looking results, and cruelty-free formulations. The strengths lie in the mascara's performance, the primer's skin-smoothing effect, and the synergy of the products together. The minor drawbacks, like brush precision and potential oiliness in some skin types, are easily managed. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. You can find the link to purchase this kit in the comments or description box below. If you've used this product, drop a comment and let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.